In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to generate an invoice for absolutely free for any kind of a business or a service online. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech. And how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you're confused, let's make this simple, quick and easy. If you have a business or a service for which you want to supply or you want to provide an invoice to your customer, say you don't have a VAT or you don't have maybe a GSTIN ID or a document, not a problem. Just watch my video till the end. I'll be introducing you to an amazing website through which you could generate unlimited amount of invoices for absolutely free. Invoicegenerator.com. Link is in my description. Simply click on that link, get onto the website out here, and you don't necessarily have to sign up, but if you want to, you could do it. That's totally on you. So once you're here, this is going to be your crash page, and the first thing you need to do is add your logo. So you click on this option and upload your logo. Once you upload your logo, you need to put in an invoice. Whatever it is, you could create an invoice number for your invoice. Keep a record of it. This makes your invoice look professional. Now here, you need to put in the name of the person or the company or whatever it is. So let's put in CygnaTech Limited. I'm just giving a random name. So don't do a Google search for it, right? Then bill to who it is billed to. Is it billed to the company directly, or is it billed to a person in the company? You could just put in the company name or whatever the name of the contact person is. You could ask a customer to provide this information, not a problem. Put in your date, maybe 1st of April, payment terms, payable immediately. Okay. Due date 9th. PO number. PO number is known as a purchase order number. If you have a purchase order number, you could just put that in out here, TT224. Whatever your purchase order number is, you could put that in out here. Next thing is description of the service or the product. You may have one or multiple products that you have sold to this specific customer. If you have one, just put in maybe a website traffic. So whatever it is, if it is an online service like providing website traffic of 3 days, you could put that in out here. Plus, apart from that, if you have another product or a service that you're selling to your customer, you could add that out here by clicking in line item. Okay, you could add that out here by clicking on this tab for adding a line. So for now, let me remove that. Quantity is 1, rate is say $1,000, subtotal tax, if you want to put in your tax or whatever, if you want to give discount, shipping, whatever, amount paid 0, balance due 1,000. I'm sure you know what to fill up out here. Now notes, something which is important, so you could maybe put in due immediately. So if you have extra terms and conditions, you could put that in out here, which is going to showcase on the invoice. For instance, due immediately, or a late fee would be applied after 24 hours of due date. So once you fill up all the fields out here, you could just scroll up. So once you're done out here, you could simply download the invoice. But if you are from a different country and you want to change the currency, maybe you could just do it out here. You could select whatever currency you want to choose. All right, and then you click on download invoice, and your invoice gets downloaded to your computer system. Let's open the invoice and see how it looks. So let's click that. And here we go. We have a beautiful invoice in a PDF format that you could forward it to your customer. And this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money, and you could do this unlimited number of times. Yes, there are a lot of websites that take a fee to generate these type of invoices. You don't have to pay money to generate invoices anymore. Take care, my friend.